I'm supposed to wake up early, 4 a.m. to go to Kiltipan. Nakapunta kayo Kiltipan?
Oo, walang sun.
Nasa ibabaw kami ng...
Hindi nyo ako hinising. Ba't gano'n? Wala na. 4th time. Hindi pa rin ako nakapunta. Breakfast. Care of. Jama. Driver na. Businessman pa. Cook pa. Asawa na lang hinahanap. Breakfast for today. Egg. Ham and eggs. Okay, today's itinerary. Hanging Coffins, and then after lunch, cave connection. Kompleto na tayo dyan?
1 hour.
1 hour back and forth.
Okay.
Muna kami kuya.
So,
1 hour pala ito.
Ang saya niyo kasama. Masaya sana kung naintindihan ko din eh, no?
ito-translate ko, Baseo.
Puro tawa na lang na ano ko eh.
Warm up muna.
So this is the public cemetery. They still do it the old-fashioned way. They don't use any candles. They make fire, like bonfire. You can witness that every November 1st. Ngayon na ba kuya? Hindi pa. Excited ako eh. Kuya, anong maganda isigaw? Yung sama ng loob ko? So now we're close. Took us like 15 minutes going down here. It's not that difficult. Look what I found. It's literally money tree. That's 1 peso. So when it grows, 5 pesos comes down. So the reason why they hang these coffins here is, I don't know. Kuya, bakit nakahang coffins dyan?
Explain ni kuya.
Paliwanag ka kuya.
Yung dapat maililibing dito, yung mga ninuno natin. Mga elders. Makita mo yan, yung upuan na yan, kasi kung maglamay kami, ipaupo namin sa upuan instead of nakahiga kung maglamay kami. Kasi sa bayan ninyo, nakahiga diretso sa kabaong kung maglamay kayo kung namatay ang lola at lolo. Dito, nakaupo.
So that's the history of those hanging coffins. Cave connection na kayo!
Hindi naman talaga kailangan, no? Kung for example, pagod na kami, pwedeng magpahinga muna.
Oo naman. Hindi naman kasama na pahinga doon, yung sa sinasabing mga 4 hours. Kasama na pahinga doon. So next cave connection. This is what I call the best highlight of Sagada. If you're not going to do the cave connection, you cannot tell everyone that you survived Sagada. So there are 2 options. You can go the short way or cave connection. Cave connection means you go on the one side cave in and the other side out. Decided na kayo? Undecided? Kya, pemberya. Bibila akong tubig. Wala akong pera pre. Registration. Of course we have to register. Because if we gone missing, people know we're in the cave. Okay, let's hit the timer. 11:30. Our tour guide for today, Kuya. Ano po pangalan nyo? Pakilala ko kayo.
Angel.
Ha?
Angel.
Ano po?
Angel.
Angel? Kuya Angel.
Joseph.
Kuya Joseph.
Ingo.
Ingo?
Kapitan Ingo.
Those were our 3 tour guides. They will take care of us. And they've been there multiple times. Ilang beses ka na kuya nakapasok doon? Oo, hindi na mabilang. So lahat kayo magki-cave connection?
Hindi naman. Hindi na. Pagdating ng dyan, balik agad.
Maniwala kayo guys, worth it to. This activity now is called Spelunking. So another batch of coffins. If you notice, the coffins are really small because 400 years ago they are put in the coffins back in a fetus position. So it's my 2nd time now and it's not really that hard, but it's really slippery. But this is really fun. Some coffins already fell down because they are old and they're not really fixed there. You can see the bones. So we are going in here now. This is going to be hard for me because I have the camera in the hand and have no choice. Vlogging is life.
Kung sinabi namin na, sige, ganitong gawin mo, dapat gawin mo. Okay. Huwag kang magra-rush slowly hanggang sa last gap.
Okay, na-orient na kayo lahat?
Yes.
Okay, I go first. First challenge.
Completed.
Wow! Yan, picture. Yun talaga napapatagal. Hindi ko matanda na ginawa ko to noon.
Advantage pag mahaba.
O, di ba sulit na yung bayad nyo?
Parang nagsisisi nga eh.
Ano pa tong pinasok ko?
Hindi na makakabalik, kuya.
Ginagalit yung si Kuya eh.
Pwede nga na ila.
Oh. Sexy pose!
Sexy pose ulit. Category, sexy pose.
Galit na si Kuya, ayusin nyo. Oh, sexy pose ulit.
Gopher. Buwis buhay is real.
Humiga ka sa bato. Higa, higa, higa.
Sa'yo nang galing yung sexy pose eh. Sexy pose.
Taas yung kamay.
Taas yung kamay.
Bahala ang tulgas dyan.
Are you having fun, guys? Magaling kay Kuya, papagalitan kayo. Look how he assists them. Dapat para magkakapatid kami dito, parang ano to, team building nga eh. Pero bakit yung isang Kuya galit?
I'll hug you.
Nananakot si Kuya. Isa eh. Kaliwa, kaliwa, kaliwa! Pero yung kanan na pa ako hinihila. Lapit na tayo, Kuya. So we have to go down here through that water. Sa totoo lang, may daan talaga iba dyan, pero gusto nila talaga yung dinadaanan natin, yung pahirap. Oo, yung challenge talaga. Gamit dito yung buong katawan eh, no? Balikat, bewang, dibdib, lahat nakasandal, iniipit yung sarili. My goodness! Woo! Lamig! Hanggang bewang ko. Actually, there's another shortcut up there. But because of you guys, I have to go through this shit again. Oh, sakay sa likod, dali! Are you having fun, guys?
Kapakan yung balikat, yung pataas ka dito, ganyan.
Aakyat kami dyan? I don't remember I did that last time.
Wala nang galing.
Hindi ka ba natatakot dyan? Baka may... Hindi ba dapat tayo yung binabayaran? Yung tayo nagbabayad? Dapat tayo binabayaran dito eh.
Okay ka lang?
Uno. Magpapamerienda sa atin. Galing yung nakadiscover nito eh, no? Para sa tourism. Umuusok pa yung katawan ko? Umuusok ako, no? See? I'm hot. Vlogging is life. So far, tingin ko tama ginagawa natin kasi hindi na tayo pinapagalitan ni Kuya eh. Oh, iniwan ako dito mag-isa sa likod. Ay, ayaw ko dito sa huli. The last time I went here, we had to swim. Why did I get into this? You see, they did not do the cave connection. So where they went in, that's the way they are going out again. And we are going this way. Wala na nagsasalita. Tahimik na. Ano sabi ni Kuya? Isang linya dyan, tapos nakatingin doon. Minuto lang kayo eh. Oh, yan, pinagalitan na naman kayo. Oh, nag-enjoy pa kayo? Diyan talaga nagtagal eh, yung sa picture eh. Bakit parang feeling ko kayo lang nasa vlog ko?
Okay, di ba?
Want to sawa picture? I'm tired. After this picture taken, then we're done. And then we go all the way up. So yun na, sulit ba yung 500?
Yay!
May fundable daw, hindi nag-enjoy. May liwanag na. May liwanag na. Okay, close to exit. There's light. Nag-enjoy pa?
Yeah.
Kanina nagdalawang isip pa sila eh. Ngayon sulit daw, bigla. Ito na, pwede na kayo sumigaw ng I Survive Sagada. We are finally done. That was the cave connection. So some reminders. I would recommend this type of shoes. I don't know what they are. They're like beach shoes or something. Because they were 100% useful. Second, always listen to your tour guide. Because they've been endless times inside. They know what they're doing. Sarap niya na. It's good. I don't know what it is. It's some kind of rice cake. So time check, 3:30. So it took us 4 hours. 4 hours is the average time. Sir, ano pong next? So next, late lunch. We changed our clothes and had a quick shower. So before we go to lunch, let's visit Sagada Pottery first. Nanay, yung tinapay po talaga pinunta ko dito eh. Saan po?
Puntahan mo.
Dalawang chocolate. Oh, dapat ano to eh, Sagada Bakery, hindi na pottery.
So, ang unang-una po pong gagawin, isisentro ko ang clay with the speed of the wheel and with the pressure from both of my hands. Lalagyan ng tampay and then air dry it again for 1 month bago po namin siya lutuin. Sino gustong madumihan at 100 pesos?
Or sino daw gusto madumihan?
Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Bayad nyo.
Ay, bayad nyo ba? So still not yet lunch. Actually, it's already 5 o'clock, so it's not lunch anymore. Before having our super late lunch, we'll go to that lake here. I don't know. Never been there, and then sunset. Puro kayo picture! It's dinner time. We skipped lunch. Pakalat-kalat kayo. Ma'am, ano pa yan? Ano yan? If you guys want to eat, there's just one road down. There are a lot of restaurants and souvenir shops. So I think that's it for Sagada trip. Actually, day 3 tomorrow, there's just a side trip to Baguio City. Just for picture taking, or you can buy stuff. And then it's going straight back to Manila. So I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and comment below. Bye guys! We finally arrived at Abatan. Ito yung pinagmamalaki kong lugar. Ayan na po, nagkakagulo na sila sa order. Their serving size, it's not just good for 2, it's even more. So all of it is delicious. Trust me. So what's that order? Bulalo? Bulalo? Sizzling beef? Yes, bukod pa sa pwede kumain dito, free ang pet. Hindi pa siya yun nasa Ice Age. Yung sisid yan eh. Ito po, sinigang, adobo. Ano pong, ano kaya?